And one more time, we're going to go ahead and take this, and actually, since I have this brush, I'm not going to need it again. I'm going to use the paintbrush instead of the stick because we're going to need some bigger lines on this for it to show up. And the first time I put this down here, some of the cake or the cookie crumbs might come off, so I might have to do it a couple of times. Oh, that looks pretty good actually. Okay, yay. Perfect. Or not perfect. Great, we'll put that next to our other burger over there. And the last couple of things here, we're going to need our gray fondant board. Ooh, let me get these cookie crumbs out of here, because we don't want that in our gray fondant, do we? Alright, gray fondant. Charcoal! Gotta have the charcoal. So we'll take our gray fondant, roll it up, and what I like to do on this is just make a kind of a longish cord, and then I just take a regular pair of scissors, cut off the ends, we won't use those, and then kind of cut not quite square, a little bit more of a rectangle shape. So I don't think they're quite square, although I probably should have went outside and looked at the barbecue. Of course, we don't have coals like this in our barbecue outside, so that wouldn't have helped. And I just kind of pinch these down at the sides, because as I recall, that's what the little charcoalies look like. You can just kind of play with it. They should all be different anyway. And again, don't make them too big. Okay, so once we have this, what we need to do is go ahead and color these. And this is a charcoal black, and it's called a moonstone silver dust. Take a little bit of the moonstone and just kind of brush it here and there. Any kind of a silvery color would work here. Any kind of silvery luster dust. Then we've got some black. It's actually called, this one's actually called charcoal, and you just kind of brush that right on top. And you usually don't have to do the back side because you're not really going to see that. If there's any spot that you think you're going to want one on their side, which I'm not, but you know, if you do, then make sure that you dust the back. And to have some be a little darker than others. You don't want them all uniform. You've got to mix them up a bit. There we go.